Ace Early Years present an Ace Guide to Staying Safe on Bonfire Night. Huge! We want everyone to enjoy Bonfire Night.
Yippee! Yippee! It's a really exciting night, but there are a few rules we need to follow that will help us all keep safe.
You must always be with an adult.
They will light the bonfire, fireworks and sparklers for you.
Keep back from bonfires.
Yes, stay with an adult.
Never throw anything onto a bonfire.
Stand way back.
Stand way back from the fireworks.
Yes, never go near fireworks that haven't gone off. Always use sparklers with gloves on and hold them at arm's length.
Never touch the lit end of your sparkler, even after it's gone out.
Never. When you've finished, put your sparklers in a bucket of water.
Splosh! Keep your pets inside. It will keep them safe from bonfires.
And most pets don't like the loud noises of fireworks.
Ruff.
Meow. Check out these websites for more top tips for keeping safe on Bonfire Night.
Have a lovely time, everyone. Bye.
Bye.